Here's what I eat in a day for thyroid healing. I'm down 70 pounds and currently eating a high raw diet for my thyroid. So early mornings out here are just beautiful, and I like to start the day with 32 ounces of lemon water to flush toxins. Then I move to my celery juice. After celery juice, I usually have a big bowl of fruit. Today I had strawberries, kiwis, pineapple, and banana, and I was quite hungry today, so I also made a green smoothie and sipped on that while I got some work done. Then my husband had to run down to town, so I took advantage while he ran errands and went and walked around the gym for a while since it's been snowy and cold out here on the homestead. When we got back to the house, I was hungry, and so I had these 2 mangoes and 2 pears, and I just sliced them up like this, and they were really, really good and really filling. And then I changed my clothes and started painting the master bedroom in the cabin from this ugly lime color to white while my husband finished paneling the accent wall in our room. So then I made a huge salad for lunch and then got back to painting, and I started painting that accent wall matte black, which it's coming out really, really nice. So it'll be fun to show you guys once I have this master bedroom all nice and finished up. Then for dinner, I made this potato and pea curry, and I had like 4 bowls of it. I was so hungry because I didn't want to stop working to get a snack. Then I had some dates by the fire for dessert.